today? Friday? Saturday?
You don't even know what day it
is. They're eating breakfast. Yum, 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 yum. We're all sunburnt, like really bad. Like really bad.
Really bad.
Sunburn. So today is horseback riding day. We're gonna go this afternoon. Even JJ's got sunburnt and everything. And we applied sunscreen like crazy. The sun and the water is too much. Let's go ahead and show you the view. Okay, so there's pros and cons to this resort. We'll have to go through them one by one when we're done. Alright, so there is the view.
Really loud.
It's already starting to get packed and it's just, I think it's 10 a.m. See? There's just so many.
We're gonna go to the pool when all of us are done eating breakfast. Look, it says something.
It says Ebro Dog Track tonight. Yep.
It's cool how they do that. Usually, like, it says, like, on TV or something.
The lady over there is doing exercise.
Food down there.
Food? Oh yeah, they have hamburgers and stuff.
Hamburgers at 10 a.m. That's kind of crazy.
But yep, we're gonna just relax today and then go horseback riding. Place is a mess, sorry guys. But I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat. Let me see, can you?
That was good.
Mom, where are bathing suits so we can get ready?
Nah, Nana was washing them. You have to check into.
Nana went to sleep over there.
Are you serious?
Because you guys were talking to her.
Oh my god. Mom, are you seriously sleeping over there? Oh my goodness. She's not a morning person.
Ooh.
Good eggs?
Yes.
Hi! So what did we do this morning?
We woke up late.
Which, yes, well, sort of late. Romy really had to go to the bathroom. This place is not pet friendly. I mean, they allow pets, but they don't have like anything green or like trees for the animals to pee on. So we have to go down 10 flights of stairs and walk about 2 blocks to find a patch of grass for him to do his thing. Anyway, so after breakfast, we went down to the pool. And I think I got some footage there on the waterproof camera.
Yeah.
We are so, look at me. We are so burnt that it hurts. We don't want to be in the sun at all. And we applied sunscreen
3 times.
regularly, like every time we got in and out of the water, we applied sunscreen. And now, we went to dinner last night. We went to Olive Garden. We ate that for lunch. And now we're on our way to horseback riding.
Horseback riding.
We're gonna go ride some horses.
Yeah.
And of course we had to stop at Starbucks because we needed coffee.
Because we're cool cowboys.
If you want to sponsor us, Starbucks, you can sponsor us.
Yeah, why not?
We will be your best sponsoree. Sponsoree. Anyways, we are on our way. We're just crossing a bay right now. It's about 45 minutes from where we're staying. There was really good reviews about this place. I can't remember the name, but I'll try to leave it in the comment box below. But yeah, I love riding horses. I did it when I was young. You haven't ridden horses that often? No? They haven't ridden horses like really ride horses. So they're gonna ride horses. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be an evening ride, so hopefully this sun will cool down a little bit because my skin is on fire. Okay, so we made it.
How are we gonna
We are here at Sunshine Trail.
park here?
Park here, number 1, number 2. It's literally in the middle of
Freaking nowhere.
middle of nowhere.
Holy crap.
So yep, we're gonna go see
See the horses.
the horses. Here we are.
Wow, Dad.
Babe, you look really big on that horse. There's Jason. You look ginormous on that horse.
Like a gorilla on a tricycle.
One hand there. All right. You want the reins with a little slack in it. That's normal position. To make this horse stop, both hands back towards your belly button with a firm low. As soon as the horse stops, release the pressure. If you hold it there, that's also reverse. All right, to make the horse go this way.
I'm gonna be controlling the horses.
You excited?
Are we gonna have to like
Just a little bit.
Back.
You just listen to
As
the
soon as horse goes in the direction you
instructions.
want, back to neutral. Make the horse go. You move your hands forward a little bit. Squeeze with your legs, and off she goes.
There you go,
Now, what I
babe.
want you to do is go all the way around. Stay as close to the fence as you can.
Go, Dad.
So turn her towards the fence.
They're very well trained.
It's like riding a jet ski.
This is the white thing.
Mom, don't compare a horse to a jet ski, please.
No, not way up here. Remember, it's out. Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right, Jose, make her stop. I want you to take a great big deep breath in. Blow it out. Kind of collapsed position, that's what I want you in. I want you to feel almost like you're melting into the saddle. I know your mother told you to sit upright and have good posture your entire ride. Right? This is slouching. All right? So just kind of lean back a little and just kind of melt into the saddle.
Just relax.
Squeeze and kiss.
Go, Dad.
Relax, relax.
Come on around now.
Good job.
Very good.
Squeeze and kiss.
Jason's learning.
I have to say, whoa, D.
You've ridden a little before, haven't you?
Yeah, he has.
We used to go up in
The
Pennsylvania,
Poconos.
Pocono
I
area.
want you to come on out the gate.
All right, here we go.
Dad.
Okay, there's Jay. He's on his horse. You good, Jay? Yeah? Not on mine. She's a little wild child. Remember, you have control. Okay? Okay, just loosen the reins a little bit. There you go, just so that she can be relaxed. Good job. Okay. 3 down, 2 more to go.
So here we go on the trail. I'm like a pro. Lila's back there. Mom. Allie. Jason is in front of me. Here we go. There's Jay. He's doing great with his horse. Good job, Jay.
Okay, so we just got out of horseback riding. It was so nice. The weather was perfect. The sun was going down.
Perfect.
And don't do a morning ride. Do an afternoon ride. It's really nice. Around 5, 6 o'clock. Perfect. Did you guys like it?
Yes.
Yes. What was your horse's name?
I forgot. Mine was Belle.
What was yours, Jay? Sugarfoot.
Sugar. I don't know what mine was. Mine was like a really fancy name. I don't know.
A fancy name?
What was it? I don't know.
And what was yours?
Thunder!
And
Never gonna forget that.
mine was Gigi. And she was ready to go.
Yeah, she was from New York.
She was like, anytime I got some space in between me and Alizea, she was like, yeah, she was.
It was really nice.
It was really
They
nice.
were really
Totally
nice.
recommended. Very patient with the kids.
Very patient.
stable. I mean, it was really, really good. Really nice. In the middle of nowhere, but totally worth the drive.
So if you're in Panama City, Sunshine Trail.
Sunshine Trails, thumbs it up. Okay, so here we are at Los Rancheros Mexican restaurant. Look at the size of that. Like, oh yeah, that's big. How is it, Ellie?
Oh, good.
Yeah, try it before I cut all of it.
How is it, Leila? Good?
You like
that's
it?
good.
I'm gonna cut it.
And we're still waiting for his. It's coming, right? You want some of mine? No? Okay. Yes, it's time to eat.